Messy local commits can be frustrating. Let's take a look at this messy stack of commit messages. Rebasing can be powerful, but it also comes with risks. Here's what you need to know. Introducing Git Time Machine Plus, your solution for fixing commit messages and timestamps safely before pushing. Here's how it works. Edit commit messages and dates with a clean user interface directly on your timeline. With safety-first design, Git Time Machine Plus includes a range of safety features to ensure zero risk of breaking history. It features a clean and maintainable architecture, making it easy for developers to work with Git. Let's see a simple workflow example: making commits, editing messages and timestamps, and pushing a clean history. Git Time Machine Plus is perfect for anyone who wants a clean Git history, developers, teams, or open-source contributors. Install Git Time Machine Plus today for a clean history and zero rebase anxiety.